It's dope, but for 90K, it's a Ford. Hola! This one looks like it needs a little bit of work. You got my phone?
Right. How did I got your phone?
I don't know.
Well, it's my phone.
Thank you. What's up, guys? It's a Stickers back with another video. Oh, we got water spots. Dang, you're dusty. But we are at our favorite place to start videos, the gas station. So yeah. So today we are going to be, first we're going to go shoot with Dwayne, but it might turn into just a full content day. Did I not need much gas? I guess I didn't need much gas. Well, we'll top her off a little bit she needs. Don't squirt everywhere like last time. Cool, we're cool with that. What do we need? A gallon? Oh, that's not bad. But yeah, we are off on our way to go shoot with Dwayne. Get us some nice 4K rollers on that DJI Pocket 3. I think those are called. I think it's a DJI Pocket 3. Something I heard there might be a supercar meet somewhere here, around here later. So we're going to try to figure that out. But if not, I'll just catch you guys when we meet up with Dwayne. I got you. Throw it all in there. I'm only waking you up at 7:20 in the morning, 7 o'clock. Well, we met up with Dwayne. We are not setting up here. We are now setting up over there. But once we get moving, I'll chit-chat with you guys while we're rolling. This guy, he forgot the wipes on his roof. This epic guy. Come on, man. That was funny. Come on, Dwayne. All right. I hope this is recording. I thought I hit start. Yes. Dwayne, come on, bro. Come on. Did you really just make that mistake? Oh my god. He literally just bought those wipes right now to be able to wipe off his car when we attach the suction cup mounts. And he forgot them on his roof and I seen him sliding. I was like, oh, let's save, bro. Dwayne, you got lucky. Surprised they didn't slide off though. But alright guys, I'll catch you guys in a little while, maybe when we hit the freeway. Awesome news. We're gonna go ride, eat, and then from there we are actually going to go to a Cars and Coffee, or Supercar meet, Cars and Coffee, whatever you want to call it. We're going to Novara. So Dwayne's going to get some pictures, and we are switching the shot. So we will see how this one looks. So we just got us some food right here at, it's not the barbershop, I don't know what it's called, but it was good. We are on keto right now, so had me a nice little yummy egg scramble with an extra side of bacon. Delicious. I did say we'll shout them out for, I don't know where we're at, maybe I'll plug it at the end of the video. I asked for an extra side of bacon. She came with 6 pieces for a good deal too. I was like, anytime you order extra bacon anywhere, they give you like 2 pieces, 3 pieces. This place gave you 6. I was like, that is solid. That is a evil driveway. But now we are on our way to the meet. It started at 10. It is 10:30 now, but we didn't want to get there right when it started anyways. That's a cool little office space. Or they might live there. I don't know. I think we're getting close now. There are 2 matte black Tesla Cybertrucks with gold. God, this is the 3rd cop I've seen in like 2 minutes. These guys are everywhere right now. I don't know why. It's a Sunday. I don't know. There's been a lot of stupid going on. Dialed mods. Actually looks pretty dope. The matte black with gold. I think we're going to, I think it's called Novara. Like I said earlier, Novara. It started at 10. I'm going to pull in over here so I can see everything. Oh, Peter 720. Oh, looks like there's a good amount. Cybertruck. Chally. Did see another group of bikes pulling in. That's some dope ass cars. This isn't subtle. A lot bigger than they made it sound. Oh, I didn't even see you. I was told this was going to be small, and I wasn't going to come because they said, oh, it's going to be small, and I'm like, I'll show up anyways.
Any overheating issues?
Oh, it was getting warm earlier. It almost overheats every time I ride it now during this hot weather. The papas. Had to make sure these are in my pocket. You wait, no, wait. Now we're good. He'll steal it and then I'll have no gas cap.
He puts a quarter in there.
You got my phone?
Right. How did I got your phone?
I don't know.
Well, it's my phone.
Thank you. Already took something. Oh yeah, this one's twin turbo, this Lambo. Ooh, STO. That's a beautiful green for a Lambo. This one looks like it needs a little bit of work. Wonder what they're doing to it, or if it was in an accident. Peter brought a few cars today. The twin turbo Lambo's here. His Gigi's old car is here. Bro, that dude right there is super rich in the Polo. He has a $150,000 watch on his wrist right now. An AP skeleton. But I know him from something. I want one of those supercar rallies I know him from. You think they're teasing it, or like, show a little bit of skin off? Like, that's just ridiculous. Would you put a wing like that on any car ever? That has a body kit on it? That little? Oh, the front is much wider. That rear isn't much. That's an aftermarket bumper too, huh? Okay. It's just that little bump out, plus the vents. I really like these. I love the new SLs. Yeah, I think the SLs are so clean. Oh, it's a Z06. I didn't even notice. Bro put the ZR1 hood on and there's not even boosted. Hola! I think that one's Gigi's old car that he did all that to. And then she got a new 720. Let's go that way real quick. Just want to see this ridiculous R8. Off-white. Pink and off-white. I need to get there at. Imagine the bike and this rolling together for rollers after the bike is pink. Oh, and they have an R6. 17 R8, 18 R6, 22 Jeep Gladiator. What do you guys think about this, guys? Leave a comment down below if you guys like these Bronco Raptors. I don't know how I feel about them. I think they're really cool. For the price, I'm pretty sure it's like $90K for this. Ooh, there's a V. Let's go. I gotta go look at that next. It's dope, but for $90K, it's a Ford. That's a dope way to put your 3D printed like that. A V. Oh, it's on a Mickey too. Whose is this? Whose is this and who are you? Cheaped out. I don't know why you would put a Ford Star in the rear and then a VMS in the front, but you do you, buddy. But a clean car. Sorry, I saw Cadillacs. I was just drawn to it. It's so fast it ain't going nowhere.
Oh, you're so scared.
Huh? It's not an AMG, so yeah, that's exactly what my mom's is, because it didn't have AMG tips on it. My mom does drive it like that. Yeah. With how clean that sound, maybe for a video if she ever were to go to out of town, I just got to delete the muffler, so when she leaves one day, once YouTube is making good money, hopefully your mom doesn't watch this YouTube video, I could chop the muffler off. The matte black and gold looks good. Did you see, what is it, not Booster Boys, whichever the one was, tried to tow with it and ripped the whole back bumper off, snapped the whole frame, totaled the truck. Tried to tow with it, yeah, and fucking broke the whole bumper off. It was a truck that was stuck, and when they pulled, it just literally from the frames, ripped the whole bumper off. That's clean. 2 different carbons. That's like me with 2 different with the yellow and black, but that's actually dope. See, like, C8s are kind of boring now. But that new ZR1 though, that new ZR1, see, it's just like, it could be 2 or 3. I don't, oh. Also, it's pre-08, so that means he has a shitty trans too. 08 is when they go LS3. Okay, alright guys, we are heading out of here. That is a wrap for this video. There is one more shot me and D's Media are going to go get in preparation for changing the fairings on this bike, because there is a new color coming soon. So in preparation of that, I wanted to get a good transition shot. Ooh, that hurt my nuts. So we're going to get one more shot, but that was a cool little Cars and Coffee, or I don't even call it coffee because it was 10 o'clock, right? No, that's kind of late for Cars and Coffee, but yeah, no, that was a lot of fun. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, got more water, turn on those post notifications. I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces!